Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to a brief discussion on business statistics. The statistics is used in various disciplines such as business, psychology, physical and social sciences, humanities, government, and manufacturing, and in all companies. Statistical data is gathered using a sample procedure or other methods. So, for the purpose of to collect the data, we are using sample survey or census survey. It uses tools and techniques to gather, review, analyze, and draw conclusion from the data. So it uses tools and techniques to collect the data. So there are various tools and techniques are there to collect the data. So they are going to collect either primary data or secondary data. So there are various tools and techniques available to collect the primary data as well as secondary data. To review the data, so there are various tools and techniques for the purpose of to present classification and tabulation of the data, and as well as to analyze the data. So we are using various tools and techniques to analyze the data. On the basis of analysis of the data, we are going to draw the conclusion from the data. So this is a technique of statistics. So there are two types of statistical methods are used in analyzing data. So first one is descriptive statistics, and second one is inferential statistics. So statistics ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So statistics is a scientific method of collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. So word is important is numerical data. Okay, is a scientific method. So there is a scientific means systematic way of collection of data. Collection means we are going to collect the either primary data or secondary data. So there are various methods, tools, and techniques available to collect the data. So then presentation. So we are going to present the collected data in tabular form. Analysis of the collected data, analysis and interpretation of the collected data by using different tools and techniques of statistics to draw the conclusions about the numerical data, that is called statistics. Or in other words, the study of numerical data, facts, figures, and measurements is known as statistics. Here, what is data? Numerical data. So what is data? So data refers to the observations of variables. Data is the information collected from the population or sample. So that is called data. All data is a set of values of qualitative and quantitative variables. Right? Hakadre, what is variable? So you know that data andre variable andre variable attribute anta baruthe. Variable andra so any quantitative characteristics of a numerical data anta karteve. So that is called variable, or any characteristics of a sample or population is called variable, or it is a characteristics which varies, which changes its value from item to item, or any quantitative characteristics which varies from unit to unit is a variable. So take for examples for variable: height of the persons, weight of the persons, marks obtained by the students in different subjects. Right? So these are called variables. Then another concept is attribute. Here attribute means any qualitative characteristics which varies from unit to unit is a attribute. So any qualitative. So look at the difference. What is the difference between variable and attribute? Variables means any quantitative characteristics. Attribute means any qualitative characteristics which varies from unit to unit. That's called attribute. So I have to take for examples for attribute: skin colors of the persons, gender, education level of the students, or education level of the candidates. So these are the examples for attribute. So now we are going to discuss about main divisions of statistics. So first one is statistical methods. So what is the meaning of statistical methods? We shall discuss now. It deals with principles and techniques which are used in study of groups of data. So that is called statistical method, or in other words, it is a branch of mathematics which formulates rules and techniques used in handling of all kinds of numerical data. So we are going to uses the rules and regulations. So we are uses the rules and tools and techniques in handling of all kinds of numerical data. So that is called statistical method. So next one is applied statistics. It deals with application of statistical methods to concrete facts and problems, or it deals with application of statistical methods or statistical tools and techniques to draw the conclusions or to solve the problems. So that is called applied statistics, right? So now we are going to discuss about types of statistics. There are two types of statistics are there. So first one is descriptive statistics, right? So descriptive statistics is concerned with describing or summarizing the numerical properties of data, or so descriptive statistics make use of graphs, tables, charts, and other statistical tools to make or to describe a certain phenomena. Right. So numerical data. So you know that already. So you know that the meaning of data. So data is a set of collection of responses or observations from a sample or entire populations. Right. So it uses the simple statistical tools and techniques to describe the properties of phenomena. So the methodology of descriptive statistics includes classification, tabulation, graphical representation, and calculation of certain indicators as mean, median, range, etc., which summarize the certain important features of data. So these are the techniques used by the descriptive statistics. So second one is inferential statistics. Inferential statistics refers to the methods used to draw conclusions about characteristics of a populations based on information available in a sample taken from the population. So simple ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ so inferential statistics refers to the methods used to draw conclusions about properties of a population. So that is those conclusions on drawn based on the information available in a sample taken from the population. So this is called inferential statistics. The methodology of inferential statistics or regression analysis, t-test, av-test, z-test. So these are the tools and techniques used to analyze or to draw the conclusion about the properties of a data or properties of a population. It involves estimating and validating facts and figures for the purpose of decision making. Right, so this is about inferential statistics. Now we are going to discuss about business statistics. So in simple words, application of statistical tools and techniques to solve the business problems. In simple words. So look at this meaning of business statistics. Business statistics refers to the application of statistical tools and techniques to business and managerial problem for the purpose of decision making. So it uses the or it applications of the statistical tools and techniques to the business and managerial problems for the purpose of to take the decisions. To arrive at best decisions, we are using or we are applying the statistical tools and techniques in the business problems as well as managerial problems. That is called business statistics. So next one is characteristics or features of business statistics. So first one is it should be aggregate of facts. So it expresses on an average. It provides the or concludes the data, properties of data on an average. So that's why it should be aggregate of facts. So next one, it should be numerically expressed. It always expressed in terms of numerical format. Then third one is it should be estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy. It should be estimated on the basis of the previous data or previous performance, right? So it should be estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy. This is the third characteristics of business statistics. So next one is it should be collected in a systematic manner. So there are tools and techniques available to collect the data in a systematic manner, right? You know that statistic is a scientific method, means so there is a systematic way of collection of data, analysis of the data, presentation of the data, and analysis and interpretation of the data. So there is a systematic ways, or there are different methods are there for the purpose of to collect the data. The next one is it should be collected for a predetermined purpose. So data ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಲ್ದಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ಡೇಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಡೇಟಾ. So these are the features of statistics. We shall discuss the other aspects of this uh, first unit in the next class. So thank you one and all for your patience.